Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is an online financial service that enables people to send and receive money internationally at a low cost and with greater convenience compared to traditional banks. Wise allows users to send and receive money in different currencies at the mid-market exchange rate, which is the real exchange rate that banks use when trading with each other. Wise then charges a low, transparent fee for the transaction. This can result in significant savings compared to traditional bank transfers, which often charge high fees and use a less favorable exchange rate. In addition to international money transfers, Wise also offers a borderless account, which is a multi-currency account that allows users to hold, send, and receive money in multiple currencies at once. The borderless account comes with a debit card that can be used to spend money in any currency, as well as features such as direct debits, standing orders, and the ability to receive payments from around the world. Wise is used by individuals and businesses around the world for a variety of purposes, including sending money to family and friends, paying for international goods and services, receiving payments from clients and customers, and managing finances across borders. With its low fees and easy-to-use platform, Wise has become a popular alternative to traditional banks for international money transfers and currency exchange.